Hey guys, in this video we are going to paint a small, very simple sunset. As a first step, for simplicity, I'm again applying the colors directly onto the canvas, but you don't have to do this. You can place them on your palette instead. As a second step, I use a relatively larger brush to spread the colors across the canvas, but I'm not blending them together yet. After spreading the two colors, I rinse my brush and start blending them. It's best to do this with a slightly damp brush, as it makes it easier to create soft transitions between the colors. You can use a hair dryer to speed up drying. The key is that the painting should be completely dry to the touch before the next step. I place a strip of masking tape horizontally. This will help when painting the distant mountains, so I don't have to worry about keeping their base perfectly straight. Now I paint the distant mountains, and immediately after that I carefully remove the masking tape. I paint the sun and its reflection on the water using pure white, but you can mix a tiny bit of Cadmium Yellow into the white if you like. Imagine a straight vertical line going down from the sun and paint the reflection along that line. From this point on, I will be using only black. First, I paint a small hill where the palm tree will stand. I start the palm tree by carefully and slowly painting the trunk, then move on to the leaves. Now I try several brushes to finish the leaves, but in the end a 5mm flat brush works best, and I use that for most of the leaves. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.